Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I will show you how to set static IP in Windows 10, and I'll guide you through every step so you can do it easily. Step 1. In the search box at the bottom left of your screen, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This opens the Network Connections window, where all your network adapters are listed, which is important because you need to select the right one for setting a static IP. Step 2. Find your active network adapter, right-click on it, and select Properties. This opens the settings for your network connection, allowing you to change how your computer communicates with your network. Step 3. In the Properties window, scroll and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP or IPv4, then click Properties. This is the protocol that handles most network communication on Windows, and setting it correctly ensures your static IP will work properly. Step 4. Now enter your desired static IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Make sure these values match your network configuration, then click OK to apply the settings. This step finalizes your static IP setup, giving your computer a fixed address on your network. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.